Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create a project in Asana. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Asana. After that, log in or sign up on the website. Once you are done logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here you will see that there's a menu with a bunch of options. The left side menu contains tabs like Home, Task, etc. It also has the Insight tab for you to keep the progress of the projects you're currently working on. To create a new project from scratch, what you have to do, simply click on the Create button at the top. You can also create a project by clicking on the plus icon next to the project heading at the left side. After that, it will ask if you want to use a template. We'll create a blank project for the sake of this tutorial to keep it simple. Add the name of your project and then select the type of view you would like to use. Click on continue and then select go to the project. You can add members from this account option at the right corner. You can also change the view from the list of the headings. To add a task, simply click on this plus icon and a new task will be created. Just like this, you can add tasks in the calendar too. To keep the notes of your status of your project, click on the overview and here you are done. And that's how you can create a project in Asana. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.